I think everyone in the UP kind of considers Superior as this living being. You get to experience another type of water. You're climbing the ice, you're getting the snow and ice generally in your face, but then you get the liquid water that's beneath you. We get there and in the morning it's kind of started out warm and it's gotten colder throughout the day, and we watch the film on top of the lake water sort of start to freeze, and it'll expand like a foot out in a single day. It's really cool to watch that process happen.